Yeah, good afternoon, students. Welcome back to our class. Today, we are going to discuss about uh, web advertisement of e-business. We are in second unit today. Inshallah, we are going to come to the second unit too. Here, what do you mean by web advertisement? As you know, that online advertising, also known as online marketing or internet advertising or digital advertising or web advertising, and it is a form of marketing and advertising which uses the internet to deliver promotional marketing messages to consumers. That means what is the main work of web advertisement? It is also known as internet advertisement. It is also known as online marketing, online advertisement, all these things. The main concept of web advertising is to promote the marketing message to consumers. Whatever the message will be there for the consumers, it is going to be promote to the customers. Yeah. So now we are having different types of web advertisement. What are those different types of web advertisement? You can see on the screen. The first one is a display ads, second is a social media ads, next one is the search engine marketing SEM, and the next one is native advertising, remarketing or retargeting, video ads, and email marketing. Now we learn one by one what does it mean and how it is going to work. So first you have understand what we mean by web advertising. Web advertising is nothing but an online advertising which is going to promote the product or goods or services of a particular company or organization and its behavior also. That means what is the range in the market, what is the how is the quality, what is the how is the brand name, how it is trustable, everything will be close and takes place in the web advertising. So we are having different types of web advertisement. What are those? One by one we will go for it. First one is a display ad. What are those display ad? First one is display, how it is going to display. Again, in display ads we are having these things: static images, text, floating, wallpaper, pops up ads, flash, and video. Now we will go one by one. What does that mean? First we will come to know what do you mean by display advertising. Display advertising, or is also known as banner advertising, is a form of advertising that conveys a commercial message visually using, it can by text, logos, animation, videos, photographs, or other graphics. Display advertising, display advertisers frequently target users with particular to increase the ads effect. So what is the main purpose? It is going to target the users with particular traits or opportunities to increase the ads effect. Depending on the trade, it will take the opportunity and it will make the ad on it. And it can be visual using, and it can be a text, it can be a logo, it can be animation, it can be a video, it can be a message, it can be a photograph or other photographs. These are the things which will be used in the display advertising. Now static image, when if you see on the screen, here you can see some bros will be there, some sound of noise, static images which is talking. Here also in this image you are talking about how the message is giving to the peoples. Now we'll go for the text ad. Again, on the laptop or screen you may see that here this is the desktop, how the advertisement will come here. This is not what text match. When we have opened the screen on the desktop, on the laptop or mobile or the PC, personal computer, so you will get sometimes of ads will be there. This is known as text ads. So what is happening here? New York budget hotel. So this is the best. So all of we were doing some work, but all of a sudden when this ad will come, our mind will get click that we have to book a hotel for so and so. So it will be this kind of ads is known as text ads, which will help to the customers for reminding to their work. On the mobile also you will get this kind of things. Now floating banners, floating banners will, what will happen in this, when some advertisement will float in such a way that it will look like animation and the customers will get attract, or he will give some concentration to it. Depending on the concentration, the marketer will target to the customer. Now wallpaper ad, see, you already we are doing some work and we'll get some wallpaper on it. So what will happen, like wallpaper or theme paper will keep on the mobile or desktop. This will help to bring the in the minds of the customers about that product or about that company or goods or services. Now pop-ups ad, so you'll get all at a times, you'll get some pop-up ads one by one also. These are not nothing but pop-up app, and it will help sometimes. On fortunately, unfortunately, customers will click on it by mistakenly or by knowingly also. So you will get some kind of, it is a kind of awareness that we are bringing, the company is bringing in the minds of the customer. Now flash ad, you may have seen this, all these are also the flash ads. Now coming to the social media ad, second one. What in by social media? First one is display media, we'll go for the, I mean display media ad. Now second one is social media ads. Now what in by social media ad? Social media advertising or social media targeting are advertisements served to users on social media platforms. In many instances, when target market aligns with the user demographics of a social platform, social advertising can provide huge increases in conversions and sales with lower cost of acquisition. Yeah, so what's happening here? The social advertisement can provide a huge increase in the conversation. It will provide the, it is promoting the product. Conversation, that means oral communications or visual communication will be more from one person to another person, and with low cost of acquisition. That means the cost will be very less, and social media will work on it. So here these are the examples of Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, WhatsApp, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. So these are the social media ads where our product or the promotion of the goods will takes place. Now search engine marketing, SEM, and it is a practice of marketing a business using paid advertisement that appear on search engine results page or SERPs. Search engine marketing is a digital marketing strategy used to increase the visibility. It is used to increase the visibility of a website in search engine result page. Search engine marketing is also alternately referred to as paid search or pay per click, PPC. Pay O SOP means search or pay, that means it is going to be taken place. So pay per click, how many times we are clicking on it, that many times you'll get pay for it. So this is called search engine market, how many times so if you see here, the a good example is here, search engine marketing. See, when we the company is paying, the advertisements will comes in such a way. When the unpaid result will be there, when you are searching, it will be look like this. So this is the, when by this domain we can able to understand that yeah, this company is not for, it's an authentic or authorized company or organization. So with this will helps, that means it is paying, it is a legal term. Now coming to the SEO and PPC, search engine optimization organic, that means SEO means search engine optimization pros and cons. It is great long term rate of interest, high ceiling and volume, more exposure, branding and everything. That means it is bring more branding, and it will be like exposure. It will expose in front of the customers when they open the digital PCs or laptops or screens, and it will bring the awareness, visual awareness will be there. Coming to the concept, it is tough to qualify. Most of the time it will be little bit difficult, lots of work, we have to do a lot of work, designing will be there, development will be there, we have change. Like Google ad will be there every day, they will bring a new design and they will develop a new thing on the screen. Takes a while when we are texting, not for short term, it is we have to text for every while. We have to change uh, the tags, we have to change each and everything of the company ad. Now PPC, pay per click search, quick setup, highly measurable and quantifiable, less development resource needed. For what are the cons? Means it is more expensive, lower ceiling and volume potential, may be subject to ad blindness. Sometimes will not blindness it by clicking like that, they will go for it. Now one more here, search engine marketing definition is here. Search engine marketing is a form of internet marketing that seeks to promote websites. The main form, now the main work of SEM is to promote websites by increasing their visibility in both paid and organic search like Google, Bing, Yahoo, Yandas, Baizu, what it may be. Now native advertisement. What do you mean by native advertisement? Native advertising is the use of paid ads that match the look, feel, and function of the media format in which they appear. Native ads are often found in social media feeds or as recommended content on a web page. Simply, but native advertisement is paid content, articles, infographics, videos, your name, you name it. That means if a content producer can make it, corporations that can buy it and publishing platforms can promote it. So these are the examples. That means whatever the articles, infographics, videos, you name it, that can be paid by the advertisement. Yeah, that is paid content. So it is, these native ads are often found in social media feeds or recommended content on the web page. So this is nothing but native, I mean native advertisement. See here, when we are purchasing all the, when we are paying for it, you will get this Google display ads. The Google will display ads like this. The native display ads will be like this. Here it has been mentioned clearly that native advertising is the use of paid ads. That means for ads they will get paid, and that much the look, feel, and function of the media format in which they appear. How it is appearing, that will be feel and functions of the media will takes place. Yeah. Next, remarketing and retargeting. Retargeting is mostly about serving ads to potential customers based on cookies, while remarketing is usually based on emails. Remarketing works by collecting the information of user and creating lists which are used later to send sales emails. If you see the picture, you can able to understand the, this means is a best example of remarketing campaign. See here, the visitor browses product page and adds the product to shopping cart but does not buy. He will not buy it. So what happened here? What was remarketing banner will be there and returns to the website once again. So once again here what is happening here will ban buys the product. So some alternate changes will be there. Once the customer forget, if he's not interested, when we are again we are remarketing it, and the customer will come to array on the, at that time I have not purchased and the demand is there in the market. So once again he want to purchase that, and he may be aware of those products and they will buy it. So continuously for a time beingly we have to make the re-advertisements or remarketing should be taken place so that the awareness of the product will takes place. Now, video ads. Online video advertising also allows marketers to engage their audience in the form of engaging video content. This comes in many forms: in stream, outstream, interactive, in-game, and web page based videos. Creating video messages before, during, and after consumers take in content on their desktop or mobile devices. All these things will be taking place in online advertising. So as you know, on video ads, you people are aware of this thing more than me. Like what are the things, whenever the game is going on in stream or web page, they'll bring some online videos for the advertising, which helps to bring the minds of the customers about the product or company. Now if you see here, he's doing something but all of a sudden he get this ad. So this is example of that. Now email marketing. Now what do you mean by email marketing? Email marketing is the act of sending a commercial message typically to a group of people using email. It is, in its broadest sense, every mail sent to a potential or current customer could be considered email marketing. It involves using email to send advertisement, request business, or solicit sales or donations. What is happening with the help of the emails? Many people are doing their marketing. Either it can be a request, it can be an advertisement, it can be a solicit sales, it can be a donation, or it can be promotion. So all these things will be taking place properly. Yeah. So now this is the definite guide to email marketing. If you see here what's happening, we can mail it to all these things, whatever it may be. So with the help of e-marketing also we can able to promote our product and our sales can be improved. So by this I hope students will understand what in by web marketing and email marketing. Please mention your roll numbers in the comment box. Thank you. Have a nice day.